At this construction site, drone flights might have been very hazardous. Under pressure from the site manager, our drone pilot, Michael, accepted to survey the construction site. Conditions are far from ideal. Weather is windy, there are a lot of construction workers, machinery, and a tower crane performing actions on the flying route. In one moment, Michael loses visuals on the drone. At the same time, the presence of construction equipment and stacked materials makes flying even more hazardous without proper visibility. Drone crashes, missing construction workers by a couple of inches. Luckily, there were no injuries this time, but the crew members and managers learned an important lesson. The company changed their policy to give full flight authority to their pilots. Now it is the pilot's responsibility, and the pilot's call should be final to fly a drone. Have you implemented this policy in your company or job site?